In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut, fastest free AI video generator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished AI-generated video in just a few minutes using only the built-in tools. Start by heading to CapCut.com in your browser. This works best on a desktop or laptop for quicker navigation. On the homepage, look for Free AI Video Maker. This is the entry point to CapCut's rapidly growing AI suite that turns your ideas into a complete video with script, visuals, and sound. Inside the AI area, choose Instant AI Video. This option focuses on speed and simplicity. It's designed to take your prompt and automatically assemble a structured video so you can create content fast without fiddling with timelines from scratch. Before generating anything, select your aspect ratio. Pick the format that matches where you plan to publish. Go vertical like 9:16 for shorts and stories, standard 16:9 for YouTube or widescreen viewing, or square if you need a one-size-fits-most option. Choosing this first helps the AI frame visuals correctly and saves you reformatting later. Next, go to Generate Script and enter your script or brief. You can paste a full script if you already have one, or write a concise description of what you want. For example, you could type something like hiking vlog. To get even better results, add a little detail about tone, location, and vibe. Adventurous, calm, cinematic, or upbeat, so the AI has clear direction. Now click on Voice to select the narration style. Preview a few options and choose the one that matches your story, whether it's energetic for travel content or soft and warm for lifestyle videos. If you have controls for speed or mood, aim for a pace that sounds natural and leave space for visuals to breathe. Then click on duration and set how long you want the final video to be and click Create. Shorter durations tend to feel punchier. Longer ones allow for more storytelling. Once you create, CapCut will generate the video by combining your script with stock clips, transitions, captions, and music that fit the theme. When the preview is ready, click on Highlight. This helps you quickly identify and emphasize the key moments in your video. Use it to spot the most impactful beats and ensure the visuals and narration line up well. If anything feels off, this view makes it easy to spot where pacing or emphasis might need a light touch. And that's the fastest way to use CapCut's free AI video generator. Open the tool, set your format, give it a clear script, pick a voice and duration, and fine-tune the highlights for a crisp, professional finish.